Today I'm going to show you how to create a table in Microsoft Word. I'm going to be using the assignment formatting tables activity, and here are the instructions. To begin, you want to click on no spacing in the styles grouping. Next, you want to click center, and next you want to vertically center the entire document. To do this, you're going to click on page layout. Then you're going to click the little advanced button under page setup. You'll click on layout, and then down here you will see vertical alignment. It's currently set to top. That is the default. You want to click on center. Then click OK. Now we are in the center of our document, vertically centered and horizontally centered. Verticals from the top to bottom, horizontals from the left to right. Now I can begin typing my table. The main title should be in all capital letters, bold, followed by a double space. Okay, so I will highlight my main title. It's currently capital. I need to bold it under my Home tab, the bold button. I did click double space. The secondary title is initial caps. That's the first letter of each word should be capitalized. It should be bold, followed by double space, which I did as well. Now I'm ready to insert my table. You need to look at how many rows and how many columns you have. Right now we have 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. To create your table, you click on Insert, Table. It was 3 columns and 6 rows. You will see 3 by 6 table. That's what I need. Columns are vertical, straight up and down. There are 3 of them. You can think of it as columns are in the front of the house that hold the porch up. Rows are like if you row a boat. You can't row straight up and down. You have to row across the river. So rows and columns. Okay? Now I'm going to type in my column headings. Column headings are to be bold and initial caps and centered. So to start off, I'm going to type them and then format them. I'm hitting Tab to go to each item quickly. Now I can click and drag, go back to my Home tab, bold them, be sure that they're centered, and they're already initial caps. Typically, a small word like on or a or the is not capitalized. Now I can import the remainder of my information. As I'm doing this, I want you to notice at the bottom of the table there's something called the source. The source is just like a works cited page. This is where you do a report and then you have to tell your teacher where you got your information. The same thing needs to be done for a table. Otherwise, you would be plagiarizing or stealing somebody else's work. To do the source page or source note, you'll click down underneath the table. Notice it is currently centered. A source note should be on the left side. I'll type source, AMS, student handbook is where I got this information. Alright, so my table is complete. You'll notice vertically centered, horizontally centered, and it's ready to be saved and submitted on Blackboard. Good luck.